I don't see how you can hate from outside of the club. You can't even get in. Leg out. Yellow model cheese. Yellow bottle sipping. Yellow
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's the 10 great amendments. It's the 10 great amendments. Number 1, for freedoms. Practice of religion, write or say what you want, and protest without petition. Number 2, if you want, grab a gun, that's no problem. Your right to bear arms is protected, now you're not dumb. Number 3,
You won't have to meet face to face with the fighting soldiers. They won't have to stay at your new place. At least without your own consent, this amendment will help keep your scent.
Number 4, the right to secure your house and papers against unreasonable searches and seizures. Because the government has to have a warrant and badge. The right to our privacy. No one can take it, not even a sound. 5, no person in such jeopardy twice. Only a grand jury will suffice. Number 6,
The right to have a fair trial, to have witnesses. Make sure it won't take a while.
Number 7, civil cases with the right to try or Number 8, can't intensify punishments or raise fines of crimes, even if you are not innocent.
James Madison.
Made these rights, sir.
Can we agree that these rights are smart and so mature?
Sure, but your man has to follow the new rules,
With
sir.
his life?
Yes, that's only fair, sir.
Hang on, how many men died so that we could have these rights ensured by our people?
Wait,
We still have to do more
right. Number 9, nothing can take away these great rights. Our lives must stay right in the spotlight.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Number 10, 10 rights.
Power!
I made a little bit of money.